Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how do big companies move so much data automatically? How does Netflix know what to recommend? How do banks combine ATM, app and transaction data? How do companies create dashboards every morning without manual work? The answer behind all this is one powerful tool called Azure Data Factory. Today, I will explain what is Azure Data Factory in the simplest way possible. No boring corporate talk, no confusing technical words, only real life example. Let's get started. Imagine you own a 10 pizza shops across the city. Each shop stores data in different places. Orders are in Excel. Customer reviews are on a website. Delivery details are in a mobile app. Inventory is in another Excel file. Now, your boss asks you three simple questions. Which pizza is most popular? Which area orders the most? What is today's total revenue? Sound easy, right? But here's the problem. All the data is scattered everywhere. So what do? You download files, copy data, paste data, merge everything manually. This takes 3 hours every day. Mistakes happen and your boss is waiting. Clearly, this is not a smart way to work. There must be a better solution. So, and that's where Azure Data Factory comes in. Think of Azure Data Factory like Amazon delivers packages, Uber delivers people, food apps deliver foods. Similarly, Azure Data Factory delivers data. It can connect to SQL databases, Excel files, APIs and websites, cloud storage, on-premises servers. And the best part, once you set it up, it runs automatically on a schedule or trigger. No manual work, no copy paste, no mistake. So what does Azure Data Factory do? Azure Data Factory basically does five main things. Connects to multiple data sources, collects data automatically, moves data to one central place, cleans, transforms and combines data. Runs on a schedule daily, hourly or nightly. You set it up once and it keeps running automatically. That's why companies love ADF. Let's go back to our pizza shop example. Instead of manual work, you create ADF pipelines once. Pipeline 1 collect daily orders at 2 a.m. Pipeline 2 collect customer feedback every hour. Pipeline 3 check inventory every morning. While you sleep, data is collected, data is cleaned and data is stored in one central place. And in the morning, your dashboards are updated, reports are ready, and your boss is happy. That's the real power of automation. So, this is not just theory. Real companies use Azure Data Factory like Netflix collect viewing data, powers recommendation. Online shopping platforms like orders, inventory, reviews all combined automatically. Banks, ATM data, mobile app data, fraud detection. Hospitals like patient records, lab system, billing system. So data is everywhere. ADF brings it together. So means data is everywhere and ADF brings it together. So now topic is like when should you use ADF? Use Azure Data Factory when data comes from many systems. Data moves daily or hourly. Data size is large. Automation is required. Business dashboard must be fresh. Do not use ADF when it's a one-time data copy. Files are very small. You need real-time streaming. If you are repeating the same data movement again and again, use ADF. So In simple words, Azure Data Factory is a data integration tool or an automation service or a cloud ETL platform. It helps you connect data, move data, transform data, automate pipelines. So, if I will say in one line definition, Azure Data Factory moves data from anywhere to everywhere automatically. So if you found this useful, in the next videos, we will cover linked service, data sets, pipelines, copy activity, scheduling and monitoring. For your homework, create a free Azure account at portal.azure.com and you will get a $200 free credits. If you like this explanation, like, subscribe and see you in the next video.